Today we are going to study the first chapter in 9th standard mathematics. First, the name of the chapter is set. Now what is set? Set is the collection of objects which are well defined. Now what is meant by well defined? Well defined means we can definitely say that which element or which object is included in that collection. In Marathi आपण निश्चितपणे कोणते ऑब्जेक्ट्स एखाद्या कलेक्शनमध्ये येतील हे सांगू शकतो. अशा कलेक्शनला म्हणजेच समूहाला सेट असं म्हणतात. फॉर एक्झाम्पल, there are two collections. Suppose A is the collection of rich people in our village. Now in this collection there are all rich people, but in our village we cannot say definitely who is rich, and the definition of rich is not given. That means कोणत्या व्यक्तीला आपण श्रीमंत किंवा रिच म्हणणार हे निश्चितपणे सांगितलेलं नाही. म्हणजे ज्याचं उत्पन्न 5 लाखापेक्षा जास्त आहे त्याला रिच म्हणायचं का, किंवा ज्याचं उत्पन्न 10 लाखापेक्षा जास्त आहे त्याला म्हणायचं, हे निश्चितपणे इथे सांगितलेलं नाही. Therefore this collection is not a set. But in collection B there are all students in our 9th A class. In this collection we can definitely say which students are included in 9th A class. The students are definite and fixed. Every object is well defined. Therefore this collection B is a set. Let us take another two examples. First is days in a week, म्हणजेच आठवड्यातील वार. In this collection we can definitely say which objects or which days are included in a week. There are 7 days from Sunday to Saturday. Therefore we can definitely say which objects are included. But in second example, happy people in our town. Now this definition is not given of happy people. Who is said to be happy is not given. Therefore we cannot say exactly which objects are included in the second collection. Therefore this is not a set. Now consider the examples. Number 1, all students in a class. Is this a set? This is a set because student in a class are definite, and we can say which student is included in that class and which is not included. Therefore the first example is a set. Second, months of a year. This is also a set because all objects are definite. But third example, brave people. Now, who is brave is not given. Therefore, this example is not a set. In example number 4, the collection of numbers 2, 4, 6, 8. This will be a set because all objects are given, well defined objects. The objects are 2, 4, 6, 8. They are fixed and exactly we can say which number is included in that collection. Therefore, this is a set. Now, we have to remember some important things. Number 1, every set is represented by capital letter. The name of the set is represented by capital letter from A to Z. Second, every member of a set is called an element. Every member in that set is called element. For example, in above fourth example, 2 is an element of set. 4 is another element. 6, 8, all these are elements of set. The elements can be represented by small letters from A to Z. Suppose if A is an element of set A, then we can write this as A belongs to A. For example, in above fourth example, 2 is element of that set. Suppose name of that set is A, then we can write 2 belongs to A. Thank you.